Hello viewers, I welcome you to my channel today. Today I'm going to be reviewing a software called Cached. This is a software that went live today, be the 4th of October at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this software is created by a super affiliate marketer known as Glenkowski. And this, in a nutshell, this is a software that allows you to create a membership website with other people's content. You don't need to create your own content. You don't need to create your own video. And as you know, a membership website allows you to earn recurring income, because when people pay on a monthly subscription to access your content, you are already making money. So imagine when thousands of people pay a monthly subscription to access your content, that means more money for you. So this is a very nice and interesting software for anyone that wants to make a killing online, or anyone that wants to make money online. You need to get access to this great software. Okay, now this is the sales page, and the tells you that in just 60 seconds copy our cached system that makes us above $1,000 per day. 100% done for you system with free buyer traffic built in. Zero expenses required, zero experience required, zero technical skills required. These are the features. These are the features. Of course, it doesn't require expenses. It does not require any technical experience or technical skill. Is 100% done for you software system. So this is the sales page. When you go scroll down a bit, you are going to see some earning proof that shows you that this is really working. If you scroll down a bit, you will see other earnings proof. If you continue to scroll down, you will see some statement from the real users of the software, what they have to say. This person is from United States, this person is from United Kingdom, this person is from New Zealand, and all these people are the real users of this software. And it says it all works in 3 steps. Step 1, click the buy button. Step 2, turn on the copy and paste your function. Step 3, activate the free traffic, and so on and so forth. I'm not going to waste much time on this sales page. My main concern is to show you the members area of this software. Okay, right now let's go back to the members area for you to understand how this software works. Okay, when you come to the members area, this is what you are going to see. Over here is the dashboard, here is tutorials, here is campaigns, here is page content, products done for you, upgrades, help and upgrades. And over here on the right, you see your profile, your integrations, your tools, your tutorials. This is where you sign out. And here are the upgrades of this software. You have the cache, you have the secret 100x buyer traffic app, you have the unlimited done for you automation, so on and so forth. And you also have a training, a traffic training included to help you to get traffic to your campaigns. And this is the tutorial video, and when you click on this tutorial you get to see this place. This page will take you by the hand. You have a bunch of videos, so you have a bunch of videos that will teach you how to work with this software. This video here, it talks about this software. Here it talks about integrations. Here it talks about the free campaigns. Here it talks about how to create campaigns. Here it talks about how to publish and share your campaigns. Here is talking about the upgrades. So fun, so on and so forth. So anything about the trailings you are all covered, because you get everything on the trailing video. So let's go to the campaign. You click on the campaign, you get to see something like this. You have a bunch of campaigns already made for you. Here you can click here to share your campaign to several social platforms, as many platforms as possible, to get free traffic. And here is where you view your campaign. When you click on this view, you will see something like this. So this is a website, a membership website I'm talking about. When someone lands on this page, the person will see the person will see this. You see this right up here. It says your journey to make money online starts here. So if you, supposing somebody lands on this website now and the person is interested in making money online and wants to know how to make money online, so the person will have to click here. Once the person clicks here, you have a pop-up that tells you to register. So when the person registers, he will now get access to the training. And when you register, you can as well log in here to get access to the training, and so on and so forth. So that is how the website looks like. You have other websites here, other campaigns here rather. You have the one of blogging, you have the one of Gastool, you have the one of how to get started with email marketing, and so on and so forth. So the next feature here is the page content. This is where you find the contents that make up your page. So when you click there, you see bunch of videos already made for you. You can see video URL name, video description. You can edit any of these videos by clicking on these links. You can delete any of these videos by clicking on these delete buttons. You can add your own video here. You can search for a YouTube video you want to include in your content. Here you manage your video URL collection, and so on and so forth. So the next thing here is the products. This is where you have some products you sell in your website. So you can see a lot of products here. Each of these products have a recurring commission. When you make, that is, the commission keeps coming on a recurring basis. When someone buys this product over and over again, you will get your commission. So these products, you can include them in your content, in your site, and so on and so forth. And here is the done for you bonuses. These are the bonuses you can give to your site visitors. Here is your free traffic training. This is a training that will teach you how to get free traffic. And here is the upgrades. If you really want to upgrade the software, you click on this place. Then these are the different upgrades of this software here, and so on and so forth. You have the help button and you have the upgrade button. So that is how this software looks like. So get access to this software and you will have a lot of bonuses included. You have a lot of bonuses to grab. These bonuses are given by the creator. So that is all you need to know about this software. So thank you very much for your attention and goodbye.